Before we set this window, we're going to go ahead and make sure we get the screen out of the way so that way it doesn't get damaged. All right, to remove the screen in this particular double hung window, if you can't get your fingers in here enough into this little handle that they've put on here, this extrusion, take something small and flat like this 5-in-1 tool. You just get it wedged in between there, push it back a little bit, and then you get your fingers in, and you want to push it towards the spring side. And just take it, go ahead and pop it right out of place. Now your screen's going to be safe. All right, now that we've got the opening completely prepared, we've got the screen removed out of the window, we're going to go ahead and set this window in place. Window fits great. Okay, now our next step is going to be to pull out these balance covers and slide down our sash stops so we can get to the screw holes. Just take your finger, push it underneath the one end, and that pulls out your balance cover. Okay, you put your finger up underneath the balance cover, give it a little pop, then you just pull it all the rest of the way out. And then you go ahead, and these are your sash stops here on the sides, and you go ahead and just slide them down, and it exposes both of your screw holes. Go ahead and check the window to make sure that it's sitting level. We check it here on the rail, and it's sitting nice and perfect. Move up here between the sashes. Got it right in between the lines. It's awesome. We'll even open it up. We can check it right here. And again, our window is sitting level.